So one topic a lot of people, are very interested in is weight loss. You guys look like you're in good shape, so not too many people I see need that. um, so weight loss is something a lot of people care about. So how do you get the best results for weight loss? Your calories in versus calories out. You need to be in a calorie balance. Each of us requires different numbers of calories based on our body size, our gender, our activity levels. So you have to calculate how many calories your body needs, which you can easily do online. Just go search up some some websites. They can tell you how many calories your body needs based on your different, what your gender, activity levels, like I said. And to maintain your calories, you have to eat according to that number. If you want to maintain your weight, if you want to lose weight, you have to be in a calorie deficit, which means eating less calories. If you want to gain weight, you have to eat more calories than your body needs. And how you can help to lose weight is to try to improve your calories expenditure, which means exercise more and just be generally active. That can also help to burn some calories that you eat through food, right? So when you, like we said, different foods have different calories, which are units of energy. So sometimes if we eat a lot of these foods, our body has excess energy stored in it that we're not using. So we're not expending that energy. It gets stored into our body and then it accumulates into fat, right? So that's just excess stored energy that you're not using. So to get rid of it, you have to do some exercise and then maybe watch your portion sizes to make sure that you're eating the right amount of calories, your activity levels we talked about. Mindful eating is a practice that's really useful to help you lose weight, okay? It just means that you want to limit the amount of mindless eating that you're doing. You want to only eat when you're hungry and stop when you're full, okay? This is a practice that you can learn. Generally, guys, just one question that you can ask yourself if you always want to maintain your weight with ease is when something really delicious comes in front of you, just ask yourself, am I actually hungry or is this just here? Someone offers you cookies and they offer you samosa and you go, oh, I'm just going to eat it. Or you're just bored, right? Like you're between your work on your computer and you're just bored and you're like, okay, I'm just going to eat some cookies without thinking about it. So don't do that because your body didn't ask for food. Only eat when you're hungry and stop when you're full, okay? Stop when you're 80% full, not even the 100%. And that'll help you maintain your weight. Sleep is a really important factor in weight loss. A lot of people don't know that. When we're working professionals especially, you're used to 5-6 hours of sleep. I work with a lot of working professionals and they tell me that they're not sleeping enough. They stay up late watching Netflix and they have to wake up at, early hours to go to work. When you're constantly sleep deprived, you feel hungrier. You want to eat more carbohydrates. That's something our body does because if you don't sleep enough, your hunger hormones go up, your satiety hormones go down. There's certain hormones in our bodies that actually regulate how much we want to eat. And if you don't sleep enough, your body will want to eat more and then you will gain weight. So try to get enough sleep. 7 to 8 hours is recommended to maintain your weight well. Stress management, we all know, maybe some of us, no stress eating. So if you're very, very stressed out, you might start eating on unhealthy foods. So manage your stress is going to help. And then water intake is really important, guys. If you drink enough water, it helps you to also maintain your weight. And it's obviously very important. Women need 2 liters a day and men actually need 3 liters a day on average. So make sure that you track your water intake to make sure that you're getting enough.